Okay, so I got a package today, and it was by a company called Glory Cloud, and they have a lot of, I think, mostly facial creams, whipped creams is what they call it, and they all have like avocado oil, and some golden jojoba oil and grapeseed oil, and supposedly it's gonna smell really good. Here is the one I got. It's called Birthday Cake Facial Whipped Soap, rich aroma of vanilla cake with gobs of buttercream frosting. So if anything wakes you up in the morning, makes you really hungry to eat breakfast, or makes you want to have a midnight snack after you wash your face, I think this is going to do it. So let's open her up. I also got a little discount card, a thank you card for 10% off your next order. And they wrote me this sweet little note on back, and it says, Rhonda, wishing you a year full of sweets and glory memories. Hugs and kisses, Glory Cloud. Very cute personal touch. I like that. Let's see if it smells good. So let's do this. Ooh, let's see. I know my dog was trying to get it earlier, so it's got to smell like a birthday cake. She was trying to get to it was sitting on the table, and she was trying so hard to get to it. Oh, it does. It smells like buttercream frosting. Let's see what it feels like. It smells just like, it's kind of like a, I don't know if you can see this. It's kind of like a, kind of like a greasy feeling. Kind of like, you know, like the Crisco kind of feeling. It's not exactly what I was thinking. It looked like it was like this whipped cream feel and very light, but oh, it smells so good. I'll put some. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft on your skin. I don't know how it's gonna do when I wash my face, and I might do an update, but oh. That smells so good. Put them on my nose. And it moisturizes. It's very moisturizing, so I need it right now. I need a lot of moisturizing on my face, and maybe this will help. So I'll give you an update once I try and wash my face with it. Some people on the site said they put it in their hair. They have eczema, and some people get it in their hairline, so they use this, and it helps. They wash their hair with it. You can wash your body with it, supposedly. So I don't know if this little bottle is going to last you very much long if you are using it for your body wash, but maybe for the hair, I don't know. I'll sit there and try it all, but we're going to try the face wash tonight and see how it does. I need to redo my color in my hair, so we won't be using it on the hair. So, hope this helps. It's called the Birthday Cake. Let's see if I can get it to Facial Whipped Soap. And it's by a company called Glory Cloud, and you get this cute little box, and it has a monkey, and it has a rainbow poo on it. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited to try this. So it smells like it's worth, and it feels like on my skin that it's going to be worth the little $7, $9, whatever I paid for it. There's some other flavors out there, but this is, I like creamy, I like creamy smells and tastes desserts, so I will always get that over any kind of like fruits, or just like when my vaping, it's always a vanilla creamy custard flavors. Those are my favorite. I love smelling them. So thank you for watching. And yes, my shirt, I'm gonna call out the Orange is the New Black from my beautiful shirt that I can't really wear where I live, but this is a shirt from them, and it says Vaginas Against Trump. However, somebody made a comment on Facebook that that could mean that Trump likes vaginas against him, and vaginas like to be against him, and that, yeah, it's kind of ruined its whole purpose of the shirt. But I think I'll piss off enough people wearing it out that people don't put those two and two together, because I didn't. So anyway, have a beautiful day and clean your face, because that's what I'm going to be doing in here in about 10 minutes. Talk to you later. Bye.